guys? Y'all tuning with your boy Southern Smoke Boss, and we back at it again today with another epic video. So I'd like to thank you guys, not just my followers, my family, my friends, y'all more than just followers to me, for helping me reach 50,000. And if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and push that subscribe button and hit the notification button so you can get that when I upload that video, so we can reach 100,000. So last week y'all seen me make that whole turkey. It was so good, man, and it was real light eat on throughout the week. Today we gonna do that again, but we're gonna be doing some turkey legs and some turkey necks. I know y'all like, man, turkey legs, what's wrong with that guy? But yeah, so we went to the local market back home in North Carolina. We had to take the cooler with us and everything. I should have had showed y'all that going on there, but it was kind of like wasn't really planning going there to get some turkey necks. So got a couple packs. We're gonna be brining them today for about 4 hours, then we'll throw them on the smoker. So what we're gonna start off first is, I'm gonna just start off opening up the pack. We're gonna be cleaning them up. So how I'm gonna clean them is, I'm gonna be cleaning them with lemon juice. But what I first like to do is, you see, like that film, I like to pull that off. I like to pull that off, all my turkey necks. So I'm gonna just be doing that to all the turkey necks. And just look how that, you want to get that off. That's just my opinion. I like to get that off. So now all of them might not have it. I'm gonna say that to you guys. All of them may not have it. So alright, you guys, now we got them all cleaned up. You see I pulled all the film off and everything. Now we're going to be adding in some lemon juice and just rub them down real good, get them clean. And I'm going to just put it all over there. And it's just gonna get all that extra blood off and everything that I have in there. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put some water in here and let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then we're gonna rinse them off real good. Rinse all that lemon juice and old debris off, and that bone debris where they cut them at and stuff. You can get some of that off. So let's move over to the sink. So look what you get, like it bring off all that film, the debris, and like that bone membrane, like the excess bone breakage. Man, you can see how much cleaner they look now. So now we're just gonna put them in our brine. So this brine right here, if y'all want to see how I did this, I'm gonna put the link like in the corner somewhere, wherever it best fits it, and you'll be able to click on it and you'll see how I did it with that whole turkey. And I'm doing it the exact same way. I just been letting it sit out in the fridge chilling already. So I'm gonna just put them in here one by one. And this just gonna help them, get that nice and flavor all through them. It's just like you would be injecting them. pretty much like you would inject that turkey. But we're gonna let it sit in here for about 4 hours. Here I have some turkey legs. I didn't show you guys washing and cleaning them up because I showed you guys how to do the turkey necks. It's pretty much the same thing. You want to pull off all the excess fat and just wash them off really good. So what I'm gonna just be doing, I'm gonna take some of this brine out of here and add it over, and I'm gonna bring over some of the turkey legs, you know, such and such, so they can be just about, they can be pretty full together. So just like, boom. And as this bowl overfilling, as I take them out, I can just want everything to be covered. And now that we have all of them covered, we just go put them in the fridge for 4 hours. You guys stay tuned. We'll be back in 4 hours and check on them. We'll start. Turkey legs and turkey necks, brine for 4 hours. Now we gonna take them out. If you see right here, I got this from Dollar Tree, man. Just this way I can drain some of that juice off and just let them sit for about 5 minutes. If you don't have one of these cooking racks, you can get a strainer and you can just let that juices drain off. Look at them turkey necks. That flavor profile could be crazy in them turkey necks. Look at that. I don't know if y'all can see that seasoning now, but look. The seasoning all in them turkey necks. Alright, so we just gonna let this dry, then we'll come back and season it. Alright, so I know y'all wondering where some of them went, but some of them I dried them and I'm gonna vacuum seal them, man. That's basically what I'm gonna do with them. I didn't need to cook all of them at once. I ain't gonna eat all of them. So, just in case y'all was wondering what I use, if you watch my last previous turkey video, this is what I use. I use this Oak Ridge Barbecue Gold's Edition Secret Weapon pork and chicken rub. Man, it's amazing. I always use it on chicken. I ain't never tried it on pork though, but I'm sure it'll be amazing on pork as well. So we gonna use it on our turkey. So what we're gonna start off by first is just spraying a light coat of this on each side. So we'll spread on one side, let it set. When we put the seasoning on it, then we'll flip over. And this is gonna make sure it gets that nice golden brown and help with that crust, you know, help with the skin crisping up. And then I'm just gonna put this seasoning like in a shaker so I can shake it. If anybody wondering what it looked like, that's what it looked like. And I'm gonna just apply a light coat evenly over all of them. And we'll come back and flip them in about 2 to 3 minutes. And we'll spray the other side and then season it. Like I said, man, we just go flip them over. We just want that season to get real nice and stuck to it. So we just go flip them over. All right, you guys, so I'm getting the smoker ready now. Hey, as soon as the smoker get ready, we'll head out and put these on. Hey, y'all, the Oakley Joe's still around, man. It's still around. I'm about to go on ahead and put these turkey legs on Oakley Joe today. Alright, we'll be back in a couple hours to check on them, man. So after 2 hours, man, we got them wrapped. We'll go ahead and let them smoke, go ahead and let them cook another hour. And then we'll be back and we're gonna be pulling them off, letting them rest. I ain't gonna eat none right now, but I just want to show y'all how tender these turkey necks are, man. Just watch this. Look at that. Man, it pulls straight off like that. But I'm gonna save it for dinner though. I don't wanna ruin my appetite right now. But I'm gonna open up one of these just to let y'all see how it came out. See the juices in there. You know, it ain't like the big old jumbo turkey legs. Nice size turkey legs, eatable. Just like a drumstick, you know, somebody eat on, snack on throughout the week. Hey, again, I'd like to thank y'all for helping me reach the 50,000 subscribers. Hey, now we only going up from here, baby. Trying to hit that 100. So if you ain't already subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'd like to thank y'all for tuning in today. I'm out. Peace.